There they are.
Are you excited?
I am.
We're getting the RV.
We're gonna buy our RV.
It's fine.
That's what we do.
Power steering fluid,
Okay.
dipstick,
Okay.
coolant for the radiator, and this tank right down here is going to be your
So we thought we were going to be driving off with the RV right now, but there are some last minute things that needed to be fixed, and so we are sitting in front of the RV, but we are joined by my brother Nathan. I'm trying to conserve battery because I forgot to bring my other battery. We got to get footage of me driving, so bye. So Nathan is going to make sure that we stay safe. He's going to just witness my amazing RV driving. I've never done it before, but he's going to watch. And he's just gonna say, Nick, you were just so good at this. You were so good. This is my brother, everyone, in case you don't know. This is Caden's dad. You all know Caden. Here we go.
Wait, stop! It's still plugged in.
It is time to drive this thing the correct way.
Okay, here we go. Take 2.
Look at my mirrors. Start creeping up slowly with my foot on the brake. We are unplugged, that's important.
There he goes, driving an RV.
This is gonna be the challenge. Turn my blinker signal on. Start creeping up forward.
Here he goes. He's doing great.
That is professional quality. That is how you do it. I've gotten up to 70 miles an hour so far, and I'm keeping my eyes on the road. I'm so excited to have an RV. Okay, we're trying to get this generator started, and we can't figure it out. There's no air coming out.
There's no switch there either.
Wait, what's going on?
So you have to plug it in there's a
So the problem was plugging it in. We didn't plug it in, so we're doing that now.
Nick, a lot of RVs,
Yeah.
it'll automatically switch back and forth from that. That's when you have to plug into the generator.
Here's some advice for all of you newbies, not like me because I'm a professional now. Before you leave to drive an RV, make sure you lock the storage doors. Make sure you lock them, because if you don't lock them, they might open up. You might be in traffic when they open up, and those might... All right, Texas heat, we're off again. I'd love for the RV to be shown coming up then, with the boys running up to the end of the sidewalk. Like,
I'll make sure Dad's there to keep them from running the street.
Yeah, keep them from running into the street.
Are you filming me right now?
I am right now. All of everything comes down to this shot, this one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. Okay, cool.
This is our first time in the car together.
Our first time in the car together.
In the RV. It's our our first time in here together.
We are about to show our boys the RV for the very first time.
They're out front and waiting.
Here we go,
Here
right
we
now.
go.
There they are.
There are people so fearless in this world. They make me feel like a scared little girl. But things are gonna turn around. I'm looking up now. I'm gonna get out of my head and out in the world. Gonna say my goodbye to this scared little girl. I know if I just stay
Dude,
strong,
what do you think?
I'm gonna
Do you love
find
it?
out where
Yeah,
I
come
belong.
here.
I want to try this.
Gonna get
Does everyone want to try
out
it?
of my head
All right.
and out in the world.
Find a place to sit.
Gonna say my goodbye to this scared little
Now,
girl.
this is a very special
I
time.
know
We're
if
not going to have
I
car
just
seats. We're going to
stay
drive around the
strong.
block, okay?
Yeah, I know if I just
Good job, baby.
hang on.
Hey, Brady. You want to say anything to the camera?
Back
I'll tell